So today I can show you how we're using the C1000 on this huge winery roof. We are in the Sonoma Valley, and this is a very famous large winery. We have Jake up there with the C1000 brush. Actually, it's got one modular pole on it, and he's just lowering the brush with the hose, using it basically as kind of our W model brush. And then he stops, obviously, before you get to the bottom. And they're going to clean. We have another cleaner on the other side. Way over there somewhere is Damon. And he comes all the way down to the bottom, and he pulls it back up. And that's another use of the C1000 brush. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit on Jake. There he is. Always practice safe cleaning. Use a harness. Attach yourself to anchor points